In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to correctly use semicolons and colons. Let's start with semicolons. Semicolons look like a comma with a period on top, and this image provides a clue to their first use. These don't separate sentences as thoroughly as periods, but they are a bit stronger than commas. And this ties into the first and main use of semicolons, which is joining two independent clauses. In case you need a refresher, independent clauses have a subject and a predicate and can stand alone as a sentence. Let's look at some examples. In the top sentence, two independent clauses on a similar topic are being combined. In the bottom sentence, the second clause is expanding on the first. Note too that the bottom sentence's second clause starts with however, which is a conjunctive adverb. Semicolons are often followed by these. Some other examples include otherwise, therefore, likewise, and nonetheless. The second use for semicolons is making a list of complex items that use commas. This one is both rarer and trickier than the first use, so let's take another look at some examples. In the first sentence, each item includes a set of coordinating adjectives that need to be separated by a comma. Because of this, using a comma to connect all of these items would make things confusing. Instead, semicolons can be used where commas would normally be. In the second sentence, items all contain a comma as well, only this time it's to separate city names from countries. Now, let's move on to colons. Many people only use colons when writing times, but they have another important use as well. You can use colons to introduce a list, explanation, or example following an independent clause. Here are some examples of this in use. In the first sentence, the words following the colon define the thesis. In the second sentence, a list of items follows the colon. Note that colons can be followed by both independent clauses and phrases. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.